Oh,
My fucking computer restarted itself. Where'd you guys land?
school. Pool's open. Go to pool. Open. See ya.
Oh shit, I'm knocked out. Alright, I'm just gonna play my mouse settings anyways.
I got a suppressor on my S12.
My game's freaking out. One more.
Alright, I'm coming up.
He's on your level.
Dead. Yeah. Suppressed S12K.
I'm gonna restart my game, okay?
Oh god! Tell me when he's leaving. Got him. Dude, the suppressed S12K is underrated, bro. That was... Alright, I'm gonna go get that, Car 98. That's alright. Well, yeah. I already got 509. I'm never gonna... I'm just like looking out into the fog, and it's gonna be like the fucking Walking Dead when people start showing up. Doesn't it remind you of like Notch Duran Tosin? That was the shit. Notch Duran Tosin. Duran Tosin. Night of the Dead. I think it's Night of the Undead. So is dead just like Totem? Der Totem. Oh, dude, that's pretty funny. Like one of my friends just booted up World at War. Yeah, that's so. You wanna let's just run and get in circle. Oh, I see one. 210. Close. Yeah. Knocked. He has buddies. I see his buddy. He's behind a big tree, 195. I think his buddy's crawling straight south. I saw some. He's behind that tree. There's another one to the left. They have me cornered now. Then there's another one like straight southeast. So I'll watch the one south. Okay, the one southeast just crested the ridge. Fuck. There's another one, 105. Did he just die? I just got 5 kills. So, no, I don't know if it showed up because I killed that. There might be one in between East and 105 at the rocks, but he might be dead. I want to say that he's dead. You want to just cross circle? Yeah, I accidentally hit spacebar, so they're going back now. All right, try to stay suppressed.
Yo, I get you.
10 left.
Okay,
Well, I mean, 8 left.
nice.
Just watch. Watch. Ah, fuck me. There's somebody in this house. Let's go around the left side and use this wall. Just run and hit space and see at the same time. Okay, I think we need to cross and get to that tree. All right, I'm gonna cross then. Knocked one. There's one guy 60. Okay. There's a tree at 60. The guy out there. Nice. I'm watching this guy. I didn't get the kill, so they're at 60. Okay, well,